Hi, my name is Alman De Souza. I am a water diviner. I also go for divining for coal mines as consultant for water, wastewater treatment, and also I do RO plants. Just I help all the farmers in farming process. Okay, different types of rainwater harvesting or rooftop harvesting and everything I help them. I also go for livestock farming, that is sheep or goat farming. Also I help them in how to do it and for betterment. Some commands were there how to do a L-shaped rod, okay, or how to catch it, and all there were commands and everything. So, and about the bishop rule in finding the depth of water also. See, this is nothing but an aluminum wire, okay, which I've made from the coat hanger. Okay, normal coat hanger. I've taken it, I've made into straight, and I've bended it. Okay. There is no else thing was there. Only the ratio of this to this. Okay, the larger one to smaller one ratio is the important one for a successful L rod. Okay, just you can have a normal L rod. You can bend it and you can straighten it. Okay, and when you see the L rod, it is better to have a slight difference between two L rods. See, the length difference is there between the L rods. This also depends on the ratio how you have it. So we have just seen what is an L rod, okay, and how it is to be made, and what is the difference in it, what is the size, and how to catch with an L rod. Now we will see how to catch an L rod. Okay. This is an L rod. Just hold it in this position. Okay. Just it is better to hold here. It is not better to hold here. Okay. You should see that you should hold it in your fingers. Okay. Not in your hand like this. Okay. This only a stage there where you can have it. Okay. It is better to catch here rather than here. Okay. There are two things that is differs by this one. When you catch it here and catch it here. Okay. Okay. So when you catch it here, you get the maximum flux responses, or you can say that EMF responses is maximum in this one. Okay. When you catch it here, and next thing is the frequency of distribution is also same. Okay. But when you catch it here, it makes a different one. It stresses your fingers first. Okay. When you catch it like this, it stresses your fingers. Okay. And when you see that, you won't be getting an exact position for divining. Okay. Next thing is, I've said one thing at the start, the difference between two rods. Okay, the shape of the rods, unequal shape. Okay. See, normally when we see that the flux lines are cut by this one, okay, when it is equal in stage, okay, the flux lines cut, or normally when you see it is not in a particular point, so the flux lines which get or opposite to this is not evenly studied by this one. Okay. When it is uneven, when we are seeing that the flux lines of this both one also differs, and the flux lines of water also differs. That is why you get a better vibration. Okay. So I've said how to catch it, not like this. Okay, just catch it in your fingers. Okay, like this, and move it straight to your chest. Again I'm showing, catch it like this and move it slowly to your chest. Okay. Then walk any one side, sideways or straight. Okay. See to that you get a vibration. See. This is how we see L rod works. Okay. But I'll show you the next way. You catch it like this and you do it. Okay. You see that it is harder in your hands to get this vibration. Okay, it is just done only experienced hands, and next this wrist is being strained when you catch it like this. Okay. Again I'm showing, I'm catching it in a different way. Okay, when this is done, this place has been stressed. Okay, that is why I've been stating that this is the better position for catching a L-shaped rod. Okay. And next we'll see how to divine. Okay. You catch it, you move it, okay, you bring it to your chest, and you start moving. You see one of the thing differs. Okay, see again when it reaches, okay, both moves and crisscrosses over. This is the point where you find water, but you can't say that exactly this is water because it changes in position according to the soil conditions, everything. Actually L rod, when you see, it does cross over whenever it cuts a magnetic field. So you are seeing it, you are having the first crossover, again left, second crossover, okay, then you don't get it. Okay, so L rod is completely differential from this Y shaped rod. Okay, this cuts, again this cuts. Okay, so it doesn't mean that there are two things that is running, two veins that is running, water veins that is running. Okay, it does mean that this is a flux and this is a flux line. Okay, when you move in opposite direction, you find the exact water point. Okay, so we are seeing this is how we mark the point using an L-shaped rod. Most probably this is used in grave dowsing, or I mainly use this one in coal mines. Okay, when I'm going as consultant, where to do it, how to do it, for everything I use it in coal mines, this one. Okay, for water divining this doesn't help much, but it's also okay or best tool to find. Okay. Then we'll see how to find the depth. Okay. See, I found the first one, second I interchange and find I cross, it is crossed over. When I go to a back a certain distance, when you will see that this opens up. Okay, again I'm showing. Okay, when I move back to a certain distance, this open up. That depends upon the soil calculation or depth calculation, depends upon what is the type of soil, what are the constraints that are in the soil. For black rock it differs, for clay soil it differs, for different soil structures it differs. So we have to know the estimates of soil that has to be done while water, and the distance is calculated and it is multiplied, you will get the exact difference. Okay, next, while using L rod we are seeing how to find the amount of water. Okay, it completely depends upon the pressure, how fast it crisscrosses. Okay, you can see it. Second point, this comes through experience only. Okay, how much fast it is working and how far it has been done to find the depth and the amount of water using L rod. Okay, So this we are seeing that this is a best one, but still you have to have lot of experience to have L rod rather than Y rod. Okay, if any doubts you can call me. Thank you.